In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a work channel in Slack using the team space view. Creating channels is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to keep your team organized in Slack. A dedicated work channel helps you separate conversations by project, department, or topic, so messages don't get lost in a crowded general chat. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process of creating a new channel, and I'll share a few tips to help you set it up in a clear and professional way. First, make sure you're in the correct workspace and team space in Slack. Look at the left-hand sidebar where you see your list of channels. This is where all your existing channels live, such as general conversations or specific project spaces. To start creating a new channel, move your mouse to the channel section in that left sidebar. Right next to the word channels, or near the bottom of that section, you should see a plus sign icon. This plus sign is the button you'll use to add a new channel. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. After you click the plus sign, Slack will open a small window or panel asking you to create a new channel. Here, you'll be prompted to type in the name of your new channel, click into the text field, and carefully type your new channel name. When choosing a name, think about clarity and consistency. Use a name that clearly describes what the channel is for, such as a project name, a team name, or a specific purpose like announcements or support. Keeping names short but descriptive will make it much easier for your teammates to find and understand the channel later. As you type, Slack may let you know if a similar channel already exists. If it does, you might want to adjust the name slightly to avoid confusion, or double check that you really need a separate channel. Once you're happy with the channel name, review it one last time for spelling and clarity. Then confirm the creation of the channel using the button in the window, and Slack will instantly add your new work channel to the list in the